always going through something difficult in life every day. So parang make sure that you know yourself very well. You know the things that makes you weak, and you know also your strengths, which is number one. And parang ganun. That's what I've realized, being able to recover from that moment. I didn't seek help from doctors or, I did my own way of recovery. It's like, jumping into the unknown. How do I recover from this? I feel bad. I always feel self-pity. Kawawa naman ako. I've done a lot of things, pero it seems like it's not enough. Yun nga, like, of course, we always seek approval. Do I always have to prove myself to people? I've been here in the industry for a decade. But all of those things are just, I'd really like to believe it's the work of the devil. Eh.
Hell, yes.
It's the, for us to